Hey everyone, in this video I will give you a quick walkthrough of the BuddyPress Group Reviews plugin. Before getting into any settings, let me quickly show you what the BuddyPress Group Reviews plugin actually adds to a BuddyPress group. Here we are inside a BuddyPress group. Right now I'm logged in as a regular member, so you can see how reviews work on the front end. Once you're inside the group, you'll notice a review section in the group menu and an add review button at the top. This makes it really easy for members to leave feedback or read what others are saying about the group. When someone clicks add review, they can write a review and rate the group based on the criteria set by the admin. And if you click on reviews, you'll see all approved reviews listed in one place. Now that you have seen how this works from a member's point of view, let's switch to the admin side and see how everything is managed. Once the plugin is active, all the settings are available inside the WordPress dashboard. Inside the WordPress dashboard, head over to WB plugins and then click on group reviews. This is where you control how the whole review system works. At the top you'll see the option to enable multiple reviews. This lets members submit more than one review for the same group, which is useful if you want feedback over time instead of just a one-time review. Just below that, there's an option for auto-approving reviews. If this is turned on, reviews go live immediately. If not, group admins can review and approve them manually before they are published. Next, you can control how many reviews appear on a group page using the reviews per page setting. This helps keep the review section clean and easy to browse. After that, you have BuddyPress notifications. When this is enabled, both group admins and reviewers get notified whenever a review is added, approved, or updated. You'll also see the option to post review activity to the BuddyPress activity stream. This helps reviews get more visibility across the community. And finally, if there are certain groups you don't want reviewed at all, you can simply exclude those groups from reviews right there. You can even add multiple rating criteria, rearrange them with drag and drop. You can also change the review label and even customize the star rating color. So overall, this plugin makes BuddyPress groups more transparent and easier to evaluate. Members get clarity and admins stay full in control of the review system. Thanks for watching the video. If you are running a BuddyPress community, this plugin can really help members choose the right groups.